there does appear to be a coin. And again, I don't know how much of the light is going to pick up on this. Woo! Got some water. Oh boy. Hey, Watersprite here. So today I am in Brooklyn, right on the edge. It's probably pretty loud because I'm very close to the Brooklyn Bridge. And there's actually dual bridges here. So you have this bridge, and then I swing around, there's this bridge as well. And that's the one that's making all of this noise. So this is the Manhattan skyline. It's a downtown Manhattan directly in front of us. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it is Jane's Carousel. And then the Time Out Marketplace right over here. And then when we swing around, this is Pebble Beach. So it's a teeny tiny man-made beach that's in Brooklyn, right next to Manhattan. So it's kind of an interesting little spot. You can see these people are taking some photos for a special occasion. But yeah, so this is the beach. And then when we come over here, I was just looking in between, see all of these stones, and see how in between each one there's like this crevice. So I was seeing if anything had gotten stuck, and I looked through every single one. You can see I got finally to the end right here. I looked down, and there does appear to be a coin. And again, I don't know how much of the light is going to pick up on this. Woo! Got some water. Oh boy. Alright, I'm going to try and get this little coin out as fast as I can, and then I'll turn you back on. Alright, so I was able to get it out. I had to take my jacket off so my hand could fit through because it's a little bit of a narrow space. And so here it is, and it's all crusted over. Can't tell too much what's there. Definitely know it's like a regular, like standard penny though, because it's got the Lincoln Memorial on the back. So I'll take that home, see what I can do to make it a little bit cleaner, and I'll let you know what it is. I came from over here, that's where I found the penny, right at the end. And then I was just looking along here, and I saw this thing. I have not looked at it yet, so I'm just gonna pull it out with my foot. All right, looks like we've got a necklace here. That's pretty cool. Looks like it's definitely, you know, seen better days, so I probably will find a place to put this that is not here so that it doesn't harm any wildlife. I definitely try and pick up trash when I can and when I'm able to. So I would probably categorize this as junk, only because it looks like it's been out here for a while. But it looks like it was really pretty when it first was made. It's really kind of crazy because like from this angle, because like you and I, we know that it's a pretty little beach. But from this angle here, it's like looking up from the beach to Manhattan. It's just like kind of a funny view. It's pretty though. A broken piece of pottery. And that's what it is. It's like this brown glaze, but then on the inside it's just regular white. So I'll take this out of here. Hey guys, back home. It's in the evening now, and so this is the penny that I found in between those rocks at Pebble Beach. So you can see it's a regular penny. Lincoln is on the front, and you can definitely see that there's a 19 right here, but you can't really make out what year after that because this little white spot is right over those dates. So that part is a little bit too bad. It's covered in this crusty stuff. I did wash it off just with water and with my fingers. And then on the back, you can see the Lincoln Memorial. It's a lot clearer here than when I was showing you before. But yeah, still covered in this crusty stuff. And do you know what this is? Like, is it sea salt that somehow adhered? Does it actually do something to the copper? Like, I'm not sure, but when you kind of pick at it too much, the little bigger chunks that are raised up, so like, see these like bubbles here? When you pick at those bubbles, these white spots is what happens. So I don't really know what that is. I'm still very curious about it. If anybody does know, please write it in the comments. All right, until next time, have a good one and happy treasure hunting.